guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our vlog, and today we wanted to talk about
Final project.
yeah. So I wanna ask you guys for the final project is your progress until your progress to what extent? So your first.
I think I will make web. The web is about language.
I'm not. Yeah,
I'm
you.
still confused because I still searching reference in community.
And you. And guys, I done to make table progress to my website to final project. And you?
And I'm still looking for reference.
You and guys, maybe we can talk any talks, not talks for final project because we still confused and I don't know.
I don't know also. I don't know. Yeah.
If we think the final project we had is sick, and guys, maybe you,
Story about.
do you guys have a question for we or not? I wanna ask you guys. You guys later wanna buy food or not?
Nanya. If I'm every day I take rice in Ibu Yuyun. Same.
Oh,
Because I know cook.
but you guys not bored with side dish in Guyuyun store?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I want.
Just in Guyuyun we
Yes.
can buy it. Yeah, I feel same.
I want any side dish, but nothing in here. Just there's Ibu Yuyun.
And I wanna side dish any else? Not in Guyuyun. Not in just Guyuyun. I wanna buy in rice Padang or anything else. So guys, maybe that's all from we, and see you next
Bye.
video, and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye.